Ryan?
Yes.
Welcome to Christmas episode 3, Gingerbread House.
Yeah, that's the third one.
How you feeling about Gingerbread House, Ryan?
Well, gingerbread sucks, but I guess we'll do it.
I'm not feeling too good about it.
I think I will win the design award of the year for 2020.
For Gingy?
Yeah, I've already got it in my head.
Okay. So welcome everybody, episode Christmas 3.
It's episode 20-something.
Yeah.
Christmas number 3.
Cooking Rick and Rye.
And Ryan's gonna kill it.
Doing Gingerbread House.
Yeah.
Did you spit?
Yeah, you saw that.
It went across the room.
COVID.
So cheers. Welcome to episode 3 of Christmas, Gingey The House.
Gingey The House.
So now our dough has been rested.
Yeah.
And we're ready to roll it out. So we need some flour.
Do I really have to do it?
Yep. Why are you eating all our stuff?
Oh, my dough feels great. That's probably not supposed to happen. It's pretty crumbly there.
Is it crumbly?
Yeah.
That's why I had more water.
Well, fuck you. Now all of a sudden your dough's good. Suck a dick.
I don't think we have enough dough here.
Oh yeah. There's something wrong with this dough.
Okay. How'd you fuck up dough? Okay, if all else fails, right, I just get you to decorate this.
It did something to it. I can fucking so tell you fucked with that big time.
I didn't do anything.
Then why is mine not flat?
Shake it up, shake it up.
Is that candy floss?
Yes.
I fucking love candy floss. Ricardo's got it.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you making a penis on the gingerbread man?
Did I do good today or what?
Good.
I thought we were making houses out of it.
Okay, you can make a house out of it.
Why? We can cut slabs.
Okay, you do slabs and I'll do mine and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Put your heart back in there. Roll it back in there. Yeah.
Here, give me the roller. Where's my
You got your own roller.
Why did you take me through my roller away? And how's your dough bigger than mine? Well, we had the same ingredients. See, there's a fucking sabotage. This is the fucking... You know what this is? This is Donald Trump losing the election right here. That's what that is.
Okay.
This is tastes like... So yucky.
Is it? It's horrible? Alright.
Nothing I need. Okay, how are you gonna build a house out of 3 pieces?
I got to add a little bit more.
Okay, where's my carving one?
Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup. Shake it up.
15 minutes, right? 15 minutes.
Like a cherry in the cup. Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup.
Did you see how quiet I was there that whole time cutting that? You know what thought process went into that?
Shake it up, shake it up.
Why you gotta fuck with it? Hold on, I'm not done.
Helping you.
I need the chimney.
Shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the
That's gonna cook the same way, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Should be.
Alright.
Wait.
Okay, why am I holding this?
Wait.
I got my own stuff to do.
Okay, I don't know why you're holding it.
That won't bake.
We'll try, see what happens.
shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the
If I get worms from eating raw dough, it's your fault, Richard. That's a big bag of cream you got there.
Big bag of cream. How is it? It's never getting done.
So it's lifelike. I want it to resemble dirt in a special shirt. And later, Ricardo's doing snow angels on a semi-frozen lake. That'll stay tuned for the special shot. Good job. Why, you don't want to build like a crooked house?
No. Everybody my gingy.
What's the thingamabob? This is when the epic music plays. Yep, pretty fucking good. This is gonna be delish. No. I can't get it off the pan.
Use the fucking.
Again, with this fucking glove. Look, the skin's still peeling off from the last time. Sabotage.
Oh, fuck.
Kick it up, let's kick it up. Money on the floor and the glitter in the cup. Kick it up,
I'll hold the bag, you put it in.
You hold the bag. I'll put it in. Fuck me in a tree.
Sideways.
Yeah, sideways.
You gotta do it the other way for the camera.
Okay, the camera person can move too much. This is a thick load, eh?
You want it thick. I made it thick for
That's
you.
a thick.
You said, please make it thick.
Yeah, I like it thick. Is it warm though?
Warm. It wouldn't run if it's not warm. Okay, right, do you know how to do this shit?
Yes, I know how to do this shit.
Okay.
This is thick. Hold on.
Let me cut the tip off.
Just the tip. No, I want to do it because I want a little lighter. I don't want a big. No! That's special. That's going to be our masterpiece.
How much do you want off?
Just the tip. No.
Okay, put it in.
Okay, it's in.
If you wanna change it up, come shake it up with me. Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup. Shake it up, shake it up.
Funku motherfucker.
Alright, how's your house coming along?
Good. Fuck. How's yours?
I need some cement up here. Fuck, I hate gingerbread houses. Why the fuck did we say we were doing this?
Holy fuck me, I need 6 arms. Let's get some glue in there.
Right, this is your fault. You
No.
wanted your gingerbread
It's
house.
glued. Oh, I made everything but roof panels.
Who's right? For me to shake it up some more.
Mine's going great.
Shake it up. I'ma stir it.
Temperature going
Oh,
as
shit.
well as mine.
I just broke the steeple. Got the glue that on there.
Cherry in the cup. Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup. Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup.
on crack. Benito! Overwhelmed me.
Okay. At least it's not fucking that. We should go in a baking contest, you and I.
I think I won.
I think so too.
Like that just oozes awesomeness.
Just because mine stayed up and yours didn't.
Mine stayed up. That's perfection there.
Is it?
Yeah. Mine's that abstract.
Oh, is it?
People are gonna pay millions for this thing.
In the cup. Ooh, time of night and ooh, the feeling's right and ooh, if you wanna change it up, come shake it up with me. I'm feeling loose.
Okay, okay, we're never ever doing this again. Just remember, next Christmas, never ever doing
You
this
look
again.
like a hut from Thailand.
I
went through a suit
I fell in the sprinkles. Here, have a lick.
Ooh.
So, I mean, I nailed it. Look at this. This is my Fred Flintstone hut. Steam coming out when they're cooking Brontosaurus burgers. And yours looks like something that came out of World War I.
Well, it's a whorehouse. So I think I did job well done. Ryan fashion, this is what a fucking crack whorehouse would look like. I think I won.
Okay.
I don't think shreddies and icing go together good though.
They do. See? Okay. So, good episode. Not a great episode, but
We
fun.
had fun.
I, got some shit on you. Cheers.
Cheers, fuck it. Merry Christmas.
everybody.
Shitter's full.
See you for New Year's episode. Thanks.
If you wanna change it up, come shake it up with me. Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up.
Hi, my name is Ray.
I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup.
We're doing gingerbread
Alright.
from scratch. Bada boom, bada bing.
They're done. No, that's done.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? You ready?
We were supposed to make this.
You see where I'm going,
I know
right?
where you're going. Okay.
No,
Okay.
she knows that delivery, right? Oh my God, there's an edit button. Ken, hi.
I'm glad
Okay.
you put that in
Subscribe
button.
for Ken.
Welcome
We'll be
to. I
here forever.
snorted.
Snort. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to. This could take 35 takes.
You guys need to leave. They need to leave.
Oh, they won't leave. Just do it.
No, I can't do this. I gotta go upstairs. Go look at something in the basement.
Okay, up.
Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry in the cup. Shake it up.
Fuck. Camera person and Ricardo giggle pits.
You started.
No, it's fine. Go.
Okay.
Which camera are we looking at? So we're both looking at the
That,
same
gotta look at
camera.
that one.
Okay.
Okay. Hey Ryan. Back for episode.
Shake it up, shake it up. I'ma stir it up like a cherry